Mumbai and hello world. We are at India Ascent Welding and Cutting Exhibition 9th International Trade Fair at Bombay Exhibition Center Hall number 2. And with me Mr. Dr. T. Venugopal sir. He is the managing director of Welding Alloys, and Mr. Mark is here. He is a regional sales director of Welding and Alloys. So Dr. T. Venugopal sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here?
First of all, a very good morning. We are from Welding Alloys. We are displaying the products, welding consumables for hard facing and welding consumables for joining and cladding applications. And here is the one for hard facing. And whereas the one here is for joining and then it coming to the machines, because we also do a lot of automation, and here we got our machines and we do a downward integration. It's not just about welding consumables and the machines, but also we do the work and provide technology to our clients, and that's where we do the Integra services. And I have a specialist here for Integra services, Mr. Mark.
Hey Mark, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm back again. How are you?
Yeah.
Yes, we're the innovators for service, and particularly in the cement industry. You're going to ask me some questions.
Yeah, so can you brief us what product has been displayed over here?
Yeah, this is demonstrating a table that's being welded in the cement industry. Yeah.
So we are on ground. Can you brief other product to our viewer? What are you displaying here right away?
We tubular electrodes, which we manufacture in Malaysia and we distribute all over the world. Yeah. We also have cord wires, and half phase plate, which is distributed all over the world for many different industries. Hard lights, which is the thinnest abrasion plate in the world, which is only manufactured by us.
Tell me about post-COVID response of welding and cutting industry.
Well, actually, the post-COVID was brilliant for us. Actually, since COVID, our business has grown dramatically, and it's become very profitable. So it didn't really have much effect on us. We all worked hard from home. We pushed our products globally, and everything went all right for us. In fact.
Very nice. And Dr. Venugopal sir, can you brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit over here and see live demonstration over here?
Yeah, we are at hall number 2 and B17. Remember Welding Alloys? Look at on the top, we have a rotating logo. And
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Venugopal sir, for your valuable time. Thank you, Mark sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you very much.
thank you very much. It's our pleasure.
Take care.